There are several key reasons why I fully expect the S&P 500 to continue rising, albeit with more volatile pullbacks. We've got to about a 50% return over the past 12 months. Somebody like me who has triple leverage S&P exchange traded product, that means 150% return pretty much. So that's pretty high. Is it likely to continue on balance? I think so, but I do think there'll be sharp dips because the market will be looking to take profit. Several reasons that this is going to happen. I think the Fed will continue keeping interest rates at relatively low levels. That puts a lot of money supply or maintains a lot of money supply into the market and keeps sentiment positive and animal spirits positive. Corporate earnings continue to exceed expectations. And exceeding expectations is what moves markets. So whether you're a Tesla, Microsoft, Google, Alphabet, Eli Lilly, Facebook, AstraZeneca, Alibaba, on the whole, people have been surprised that earnings have continued exceeding expectations. When I look at my other data points on this, I see that general economic data, Purchasing Managers Index, again, fairly buoyant. This measures the people who are actually doing the buying and how positive they are. So it's an important indicator. When you look at oil prices, well, some of the concerns regarding India has ensured that the oil price hasn't continued to soar away, and we'll probably put some kind of lid on it. Similarly with inflation, despite people's expectations, it's not that bad. If you look at consumer price index inflation, yes, you do see this from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics edging towards a 2.5% I've got over here. But that, yes, upward trend, but we're not talking ridiculous levels, which might lead the Fed in the near term to move rates higher and spook the market. So like I said, what will be the main reason for the S&P to dip a little bit, but continue an upward trend will be profit taking. And what will cause profit taking? Any excuse you want will cause profit taking. But overall, I remain relatively bullish on the market for the next 12 months. Thank you.